Air Raiders was a line released by Hasbro in 1987. The toy line was comprised up of two factions, the Heroic Air Raiders and the Evil Tyrants of Wind. The figures were only 2 inches tall and had very little backstory. The line relied more on its vehicles and playsets and made the figures more about army building than character development. The air pump firing weapon and launching vehicles worked well enough, but never really blew anyone away. Sadly, with so much competition from that same year, and mainly no cartoon to back the line was discontinued after just 1 year. The Air Raider vehicles included the Man of War, the Command Outpost, Thunderhammer, the Storm Dagger, the Twin Lightning, and the Thunderclaw. The Tyrants of Wind consisted of the Wind Razor, the Hawkwind, the Dragonwind, and the Windseeker. Other such playsets like the Air Refinery were due to be released, but it's not sure if they actually ever were released. Thanks for watching.